So what's up, YouTube family? It's me and my girl, with my wife, my future wife, me tomorrow. You know, happy. And I got my nephews with me. Say hey, y'all. Say hey.
Look at the camera.
Say hey.
Look at the camera. Say hello.
But yeah, man, we out here at the car show, and what is it? HB Rolling car show out here in Kennesaw. We about what this is?
We're at the Center Mall.
Town Center Mall at Cobb. You know, we right here, and we here to support my family, Street Royalty Atlanta. Y'all can follow them at Street Royalty Atlanta on IG, and you can also follow me at freebandTA_TA, freebands_TA. We out here, man, finna enjoy ourselves. I'm gonna get y'all a couple clips of these cars. There's like music playing and stuff, so you might have some of the video where I ain't gonna have the music playing in it, or you'll hear the noise. The first video I might make, I'm gonna just walk around and just check out all the cars, but then I'm gonna come back and give y'all a slow motion pick of each one of them and do what I can for y'all, man, while I enjoy myself too. And I hope y'all enjoy my video, and I appreciate y'all for showing up. Thank you for coming to T-Wheel 2 and 4. And man, I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Appreciate you. Get back with me. The Art Pimp right here. Follow me at artpimp.com. Not .com. At IG. Art Pimp. It's a Haitian queen. See that free smooth.
I'm so dumb that I was thinking that they could when they really can't. I was thinking that they was when they really ain't. It's my fault, I can't blame no one. If we take off now, we can catch the sun. Maybe watch it sit here, let's get some rest. Know you be behind me if it ever came this, but I never would've thought that we had to take this risk. So when we in this position, just keep riding on my mission. If we in this together, that's the way it's supposed to feel. The boy out with a bang, I'm telling you what it is. I get racial profile, what I feel, cause my real feeling is.
Plenty more work out here. That's just icon, that's the Street Road. I'm gonna get y'all more in a minute. So, I'll walk around and check out some more stuff I see. But let me get back to y'all. What's up, Bill?
Yeah, we got they made up all guys.
You see it too. You get that free smoke.
That's what I'm trying to see, guys. He got this shit in his truck.
That Mufasa, y'all. He part of the family too. You got the, I call them white boy trucks, where they sit down low in the back and high in the front. Call them white boy trucks. Check this dude out with the 4G autos on it. King suspension, road racing shots. You see that? 4 Giottos on the dually. Look at that, man. I think they got parked that truck every day. I don't believe he drive it. Got the side by side of the Denali Tahoe. It ain't a Tahoe, it's the Denali GNC. But people do a lot of work on their stuff, man. And look, check this truck out. Go follow him, man, on IG. You got that. Nice Chevy, bro. Southern Tide. What's going on, y'all? The tie shop, that's what they do. Southern Tires, man. Clean trucks, though, man. Got all your cleaning material. Thought we would have seen this. The VAS FSI in that mom, boy. You don't know what that is. It's the R8. You know what this said. You see it, it's on the brakes. R8 on the brakes. That's the R8, man. That SS. I wonder if it's a manual. It's a manual. This a manual, right? Yeah. Don't get no sports car with no manual now. Look at that. The Brimbos. Ooh, these boys cleaning up their stuff. Oh, got that vet. Look at this vet, man. Nice little vet. And you got that Jeep Gladiator. What's going on? The Gladiator. 4 Motorsport. What's in here, man? What's in the Bronco? What's in the Bronco? What's under the hood of the Bronco? I know you ain't got it out here and ain't nothing under the hood now.
You said what?
What's under the hood of this Bronco?
Ain't nothing crazy under there.
Nah, man, come on now. Look at it. You know it. I know it is. Hiding all the goodies, man. He hiding all the goodies. And then you look at this. He races that thing. He races that. YouTube, Aaron. Follow him. Look, too close. You see that? Yeah, I'm trying to clean it up. That super do that, boy. Lead the trucks, man.
All of my comments are screaming my name while I'm in the club, doing them hundreds and fifties and
Oh, look at that. A turbocharged. You see that? You see what's happening in that thing? A fucking diesel. It's just a little bit, man. It's just a little bit. Now I know on the other side over here more, way more, better looking cars. But these are just the trucks right here. I ain't gonna stay too much over here. I'm gonna go over here with the family real quick and see what they got going. And then I come back out here again, like I said. Right now, finna get over here and see something. Look, I got some work done by Art Pimp right here. Art Pimp. That's the guy in our club. He did this work. This work done by Art Pimp, ain't it? This work done by Art Pimp, ain't it? This work done was by Art Pimp, wasn't it? This work was done by Art Pimp, right? Yeah. I can follow him on IG too, man. That Art Pimp work, man. Show you everybody got some out here. Ooh, look at it. The Comic Con. You got that Comic Con with the Lambo those on it. Oh. That's a 392. Well, I know it took them some hours to wrap this. You alright, you alright. Appreciate you though. It took hours to wrap this thing. I want to check out this Lord one over here real quick before I go back over there. Cryptic. Look at this thing, man. They got bags on it, huh? Cryptic Charger, follow him. I'm G. They got bags on it, huh, man? Yes, sir. It's beautiful, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
With 10s?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Clean interior, you see it. But follow that man, Cryptic. The Cryptic Charger, man. Follow him, man. Y'all go out there and support all these folks too, man. Along with supporting me at Free Band TA. You know, man. I have me out there some soon too, man. Two turbocharged. The STR tires on it. Oh, that's that Roush, boy. You see the name on that? Boy, that's a bad Mustang right here. And it's, you see that, but you don't get no sport car if it ain't a manual, boy. Well, you know, my mama told me that.
You got that motherfucker in the case.
Yeah, but don't worry about that. It pulling good. Supercharged.
That big ass supercharged,
Ooh. The old one right here. This a 10 or something. That Shelby Cobra. I'm gonna check it out, that 5.0 real quick. They got a turbo on it too.
yeah. Bit by Pro Charger.
Yeah.
Bit by.
They say those ain't even hard to install. A Pro Charger. He put his own Coyote symbol on it. And you, once again, like I told you, man, y'all follow that boy right there. You don't get no sport car if it ain't a manual, bro. It ain't gonna drive right. with the flow shifter. In the flow. What you got? 350? What all you done to it? Just the motor. It running old, like still chugging like you, son.
Kept that mud stock, keep it clean.
Yeah, no, that's nice, man.
Oh yeah.
This is young school car.
You passed it down?
Oh, it is car.
Oh, that's
Your wife bought him that car.
thought it was old school. Yeah, you don't see many young people
Sure,
with
but
something like that.
the only reason why you standing by him because you told him not to go too much in there. That's what you told him.
Yeah.
Don't do too much. You know, you just keep it like that, clean it up, tighten the wheels up. You know, look at them. Them the mold rallies, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
You get what I'm saying? I wish I still had my colors, but man, I don't regret what I did with it.
Let's show you what he had at first.
How long you had it, man?
Like a couple weeks.
Couple weeks?
Yeah.
Take care of it, bro. Don't let nobody, don't sell it to nobody. But that's just my opinion.
I
Don't.
figured, because it ain't going nowhere.
Yeah,
I had
man.
88 money color up there on the free color on that. So after that happened, I went on about this little bit right here.
I sold my 84 colors broom pillow seats for the it had the original 307. My granddad did the interior in it.
Yeah.
I sold it so I can get my CDLs.
Oh, shoot, hey.
Yeah, but
That's a good move there. I'm pretty sure you using them, man.
yeah, man. I'm trying to.
Hello, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna give me another one. It's in due time. That's the only reason why I sold it, because you know, all the time I thought about it, man, that car still be out here no matter what. It's just gonna be how I want it done now.
Right. I bet.
What else you plan on doing to it if you had to do something?
And just upgrade some chrome in here, man. I mean, I'm looking at the other people, they chromed up.
Don't worry about the other people.
Other than that, I don't need to do nothing to it, bro. Like,
Yeah.
running good and everything.
That's it,
That's
man.
what that crush Stone had me doing jobs.
Oh man.
That was his other car.
Yeah.
Hey man, you got a blessed wife, man.
Yeah.
Cause she done came back and bought you a Nova, bro.
Yeah, most definitely.
That ain't bad, man.
Yeah.
And bro, don't worry about what everybody else got. You take your time, man.
I'm gonna keep it classy. I ain't gonna do all too much.
Yeah, man.
You see the interior?
Yeah. I seen it just a little bit of
interior, man.
with the racing bucket seats.
Yeah.
Bucket seats.
Regular radio, original radio that still work.
Oh yeah,
That's
bro.
what I'm talking about. More people go put some new ones in. Keep that baby in there.
Yeah, man. You ain't trying to listen to the music anyway. You trying to have the window down with your arm out
That's right.
and just let it roll.
That's
Well,
right.
I already know.
Cruising USA, man.
See, I told you I had an 84 now.
Yeah.
I already know what you want to do with it.
Yeah.
Just keep it clean,
I
bro.
just say it ain't stopped.
It ain't stopped. I ain't worried about. I seen the gauges in it. I know what it's doing. I see what's going on. I see what's going on.
That's fine, man.
I just want you to take care of it, man. You know, from me to
This stand in
you.
the garage. Ain't even gonna, this garage kept.
Yeah, no matter
Ain't
what.
gonna stay in the family.
No matter what, man, y'all take care of it, bro. It's nice meeting you, bro. And y'all be safe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You keep them right.
Oh, you know you're gonna be right.
Yes, sir.
Not four behind him. We go be in one.
Yeah, what you in? This you?
No,
Oh.
we will be right. That
Nah.
goddamn. That boy got some money in that truck.
Yes, sir. I see.
Look at the fender wheels and everything.
Yes, sir. He said, look at the fender wheel.
Yeah, look at the fender wheels in there.
Yeah. Yeah, he been taking time on this thing, man. We got one of these trucks right now at the house, down back at home in Mississippi. But they need work done to it too now. It's gonna be, we'll have to do it one day. That 350 motherfucker.
Oh,
Ooh, all sports, spark plugs, lines and everything, man. Look at that, bro. What this is? Ain't anybody on YouTube, man. Let me know what that is. I don't know what that is. I gotta find out what that is. But they're giving power to it. Interior, fire extinguisher, flow shifter, and it's a manual. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Gauges and all, bro. Oh. They be the best ones when they keep them like full stock, but outside of it be looking good. That thing be nice. He be running this. He drive this like every weekend. Oh, y'all didn't even call my phone. So y'all following me around like I know y'all or something? I had to look up and see y'all.
You taking the pictures, be sure to tag HB Rollin. HBROLLIN. This is the HB Rollin.
Y'all found me enough? Y'all didn't find him, y'all found me first time.
Shout out all the vendors, all the car clubs.
Look at my nephew.
Be sure to go
What's up?
over there. To my left.
Say hey.
Chick rather roll Mountain Chicken.
Yeah. Say hey, bro.
Street tacos.
Say what's up.
Candy. Crazy fruit.
Say what's up. Say what's up.
Real quick. Let's do it.
Say what's up. Ah. That my sister.
Let's do it.
Before.
What's that?
But that's an old motor right there, boy. That's a tractor motor right there, boy. It look like a tractor motor. Ooh. With these switches. You got the switches on this thing.
Where you get that from? You got them bitches right under the dash.
Yeah. Now look, check this out, man. We gotta try to get there. We gotta try to get there.
I say you're right. Y'all. Let me get your name.
That boy got 6 batteries in the back of
The white and shrimp. I see y'all got some good food over there, the white and shrimp.
Well, that boy got 6 batteries in the back of that motherfucker.
6 of them. I'm finna go look.
Yeah.
Oh. He must be low, boy. Let me see that again, man. With the Corvette motor in it, boy, he ain't playing no games, boy.
None,
With the Corvette motor in it, and then he just left the shields on it, bro. You get what I'm saying? The 5.7 liter shields on it, bro. You get that? You get what I'm saying, bro? What this is? You bitches hard, boy. Them wings, boy. I just want y'all to see how low that mud sitting on the ground. Two. Ooh. But this is that. It look like a Bel Air. This is the Bel Air Impala. It is the Bel Air. Y'all caught the best spot, man. You know when the people pass by y'all. Yes, sir. That V8. Look at the bike. Hey, the bike got better hydraulics. The bike got hydraulics on it too, man.
Yeah, that's that Western bike right there.
Yeah, man. Got all the Hollywood stars in it.
Yeah, he got a digital dash in that bitch. That bitch look good.
It's digital, bro. You can go on the other side. I go on the other side and see it.
Oh no, yeah.
That Z28 with the scoop right there. It's digital. But they be putting work in it, thing. Look at that little gas pedal and the brake pedal.
That don't fuck me up.
Oh, okay, go. He out here for the music. Little boy, what did he say? Give me some cash, robbing old folks and making a dash. That Firebird. You got another than a sister and a brother. Still, boy, no need for panic. I'm a slap. Little boy with strap. Hit me. Cops get me. Figure out all the years if I pull this trigger.
Expectations, any sign, any hit from the subway stations, but he was coming and he made a left. He was running top speed till he was out of breath. And swore he was here. Then he made his move to an abandoned building. Ran up the stairs up to the top floor. Opened up a door there, guess who he saw? Jay, low, clean shooting, no blue, no, clean up, what's a hustle? And then women, hurry up, run! The dope people back up,
I bet you got like 3 15s in that bit, or two of them in that motherfucker. That's for a win.
You got something in that van too.
Oh wait.
You got 2 amps and a battery.
Wait, look at this, bro.
You got a stick in that motherfucker.
You know what this is, what? You know what this is, what? Still, boy, no need for me. Oh, I gotta go over there to him real quick. But he done revving now. Yeah. It look like he got the full exhaust and everything.
Straight pipe.
Just another case about the romance.
You cut out the Cadillacs? You cut the Cadillacs out there?
No, axle back.
Huh?
The axle back. The catch is still on it.
The cat's still on it.
Oh no, it's on. Couple more weeks. Headers and gear.
Yeah.
I'll pay that. I'll pay that.
Ancient Egypt, you see that, man?